let's see. Okay, I still don't have the thing. Okay, we know like baby drone can work, right? So basically, let's see if we use like a wealth rune on this. Okay, put wealth rune on like a raid missile. Where the hell is the wealth rune, man? Okay, wealth rune on this. Eh? Oh, this. Okay. Eh? Why do I have... I think I clicked the wrong one. There we go. Okay, click the wrong one, man. Okay, so I have like a basic, like a legendary wealth and like a on buster purple wealth right here. Should be able to do like 2 skill anyway. Yeah, I got it anyway. So, now the question is, right, what if like I do 1771, which is like the old threshold for like baby drone then? Baby drone threshold. Okay, with 1662, which one is 1662? Beatrice and sub tapi. Okay, sub. I can't open the map. I can't check the chaos gate. Cannot check it. 1771. If I can't get it with buster, right, that means like trash, bro. Never mind. Okay, never mind. I can. I actually can. So yeah. Okay, there we go. So now we lower it then. Let's say 1720 maybe. I feel like we might not get it with that. So yeah. Or what if it's 1750, slowly going down? Alright, let's see 1750. Okay, if I get it with two or not. I do. So the threshold is lower now. But you have to use Buster for it. Wait, Buster is really bad though. Buster is a really bad skill for like the 2 skill transform crims. It's really bad. Because the cooldown of this is 30 seconds now. And you're like basically like you're like Zero Swift, right? So you transform, you go out, and Buster is not back. It's bad. No, don't do that, man. 1771 still. But let's limit test it. 1720 basically. Okay, how to stagger? I mean, you don't stagger, I guess. That's stagger. You spend your stagger to transform, basically. That's it, bro. Okay, that's it. But yeah, you have 20 seconds on your transform, on your like that, and your buster is 30-second cooldown. So it's a really bad skill to use for like for 2 skill transform. Really bad, because it's just not back after. But buster is good after your first transformation. What do you mean? It's on cooldown after transform, dude. So yeah. Oh, I still get it, man. So if I transform right now, right, the buster is still on cooldown here. 1720 is enough. What the? Damn, dude. Okay, the buster like gauge increase is like so much higher. I think that like refreshed my cooldown, didn't it? I think they might have refreshed it. Okay, what about if you use buster on a higher CD gem? So basically to do 2 skill transform, right? 1700 spec and level 10 CDR gem on buster. Stupid, bro. Actually a really stupid suggestion, but it is what it is, I guess. Oh, you can make it, dude. Bruh, it's so low. Okay, it's so low. So the threshold for this is really low, actually. Okay, 1680. It's actually very low, yeah. Okay, bro, that's Giga Chat, man. Yeah, new scouter buff, refresh human mode CD after transformation, only for legacy, of course. Otherwise, yeah, 80 gonna be OP, but yeah. Nah, not gonna happen. Put level 10 CDR gem on like a buster. It's gonna make it like 27 seconds, so it's still not bad. It's still like bad, basically. So yeah, still bad. I mean, like we can make it here. Let's see. Level 10 CDR gem for energy buster. So yeah. There we have it. Now we have like buster like level 10 CDR gem, 20% right there. So yeah. We can get it with like a 1680, bro. 1680 can get like 2 skill with buster. Damn, dude, this buster like gauge generation is like massive, actually. Massive. You get 1660 spec or for bracelet and save that gold for like level 10 buster gem. Get trash, man. You might as well just go 1771 and then like, you know, just don't use Buster. So yeah. Okay, at least this just came back like together. Okay, but you need like a level 10 CDR gem on Buster. Trash, bro. It's bad. It's really bad. It's really bad. It's a bad thing, man. It's a bad thing. But yeah, but this gauge increase is like really high. Actually, really high. Damn, dude. 1650 is enough for 2 skill. Holy. Okay, you can do, but losing them for this, you can't do it by adding swift. I mean, you can add swift, obviously. You're trolling, man. Put a CD rune. A CD rune. That's trolling. That means like you waste your skill to put like basically like a what's the name? A follow up rune or something like that. Trash. Okay, nice damage, nice damage. Nice trash, man. Okay, it's so bad. It's so bad. Nah, don't do that. Okay, it's really bad. A really bad thing to do right there. 1620. Okay, I got a feeling that like that 1650 is like maybe the threshold here. Okay, it might not be enough after this, because I think like I got the gauge on the last stick after this. So never mind, I lied. It actually works, bro. What? Okay, it's so low, man. It's so low. It's so low. Okay, damn, bro. Okay, how much lower do we get? That like Buster can get right there. Okay, you know what to do, guys. Nah, still no, man. It's still trash basically. Do 1580? I don't know, 1580. Okay, 1580 on that. 1580 spec is basically like, you know, pre bracelet, man. Pre bracelet. Ooh, okay. I thought we're gonna get it actually. Thought we're gonna get it. Okay, 1584. Maybe it's 1584, yeah. I don't know. 1584. Let's see. Okay, so about 1590. Yeah, around that basically, yeah. Just do baby and raid for gauge. Buster is good for damage. Buster is good for like stagger utility basically. So yep. And as a backup skill, because the backup skill like has like high gauge, then like it's nice as well. What? Not yet, bro. Okay. 1585. It's 1585, dude. Okay, 1585. Okay. Yeah, around that basically. 0.001 gauge. But yeah. Okay. But I mean like the same thing with that, Buster being 30-second cooldown is a bad skill. Because like you can do it every other rotation is the thing. Nope, it's not 1585. Okay, one step at a time. Let's go, bro. One step at a time. I can transform yet. Okay, and then Ashel, if boss jumps over like Reed Missile, use Energy Buster. Yeah, you're going one spec at a time. I mean, like, I think 1590 can work, so yeah, already. So he's trying to find the exact number, yeah. Okay, what's my DPS on Trixie on like on opener? On opener, I've got no idea, Crims. On opener, but like on like a 5 minute, I did 21 million. On a 5 minute. Fuck, man. Okay, it's not there. It's not there yet. Okay, 1588 maybe. Let's see. Go to right there. 21 million is pretty good. It's pretty high for like a consistent damage. Because that 21 million red creams, I can pull that off in actual raid. That's the thing. Trying to get nerf buddy. Bet is 1589. It's gonna be 88. Only one way to find out, bro. Let's go. Nope, it's not. Okay. 1590. Okay, with head attack, it's head attack, yeah. But I mean, like in actual raid, you get like basically like, you know, some support buff as well. So yep, support buff as well. 1590, maybe that's a threshold. It's either 1590 or 1589 maybe. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's not 1590 as well. It's higher than that. What the? Okay, what the fuck, man? 1595. Alright. 1595. Okay, 1592. Yeah, it's somewhere between that basically. Somewhere. I hate this part actually. Why can't we get like the 40% refund even if you don't like use the full duration? Small gate, fix this man. Small gate. It's not. It's higher than that. 1600? 1600 we checked right earlier. 1598 then. We checked with 1600 I think earlier. Okay. I think we checked 1600 earlier, 1599. What did I check? 1598 or something? I don't know. Okay, I need to go to the chaos gate real quick though. So yeah, last check, 1598. I did not check it. You skip. Oh, you skip 1600 for me. Okay, gotcha. Well, we'll see right now. 1598. Okay, last try before I go to chaos gate. Then like I can check again later. Nope. Okay, so it's higher than that still. Okay. Okay. Should I check 1600 or 1605? 1605. Okay. Oh right, I forgot. I need to change the runes again, man. The runes again. Okay, this rune. Where is wealth rune? There we go. Wealth rune there. We need like level 10 like a buster. Level 10 energy buster. Alright, let's see. Oh. What was it? 1605. 1605. Okay. Just some good manga. Okay, so 1605 you can get it. Okay, so it's like a bit less than that. 1602. 1602. Let's see. Okay, 1605 you can make it. Fresh mayo, best mayo, fresh dude. Fresh mayo. Fresh. Do we get a level when you transfer into ancient gear? Not necessarily. Okay, so like from plus 19 to plus like to plus 12 akan gear, you do get item level. 5 of them basically. It's not. So that is that basically. So yes, you do, but then like at the same time, once you tap it once, it's gone. Generally, like realistically, you don't actually get item level from that now. Not really. 1603. Okay, you lose your glow. Yep, you lose your glow as well, basically. But yeah, but like you get like a slight, small item level or no item level. So yep, you only get like 5 item level when you like transfer from plus 19. Or it's 1604? Or it's just 1605, bro? Just 1605. Alright, it's either 1605 or 1604. That's the number. Mayo from principle. Everyone read it. Well, that's because like I'm telling people to read it, so yeah. So it's not like transferring to upper relic. Upper relic. Oh, no, it's like transferring to upper relic, Stoy. Kinda. Yeah. But I mean like imagine that like basically like you only get item level if you transfer from 1490. So if you transfer from 1505 plus 21, you don't get eye level. So yeah, something like that. 1604. That's the number. 1604 to transform skill basically. Wait a minute. 24 second. Yeah, that's not good actually. 24 second is not good for this. Well, I guess like more like realistically 20 second. Yeah, you need level 10 CDR gem if you wanna do this basically. So yeah, 1604 and level 10 Buster gem. Omega, bro. Okay, Omega. Yeah, well, that's not good right there. The new spec threshold for like for 2 skill transform scouter. Not recommended, bro. Not recommended, but I guess it's there. Okay, the testing is there. Okay, need like 1604 with like a legendary and blue wealth on Buster. But then reap your like a stagger, reap like you need level 10 like a CDR gem as well. It's just bad basically. So not recommended at all. But yeah, there is that. That's the testing, boys. That's the testing.